The British Parliament has rejected for a third time a plan from Prime Minister Theresa May to withdraw Britain from the European Union. Officials in Mozambique say the number of cholera cases jumped from 5 to over 130 after a powerful storm wrecked the country weeks ago. United States Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin says he held constructive talks with China's vice premier in Beijing. And in Bangladesh, workers search a tall building after a fire killed 25 people. The building's owner will face charges